What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. Look, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so I really need your help. So please make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. Subscribe. Now, we got a box, bruh. We got another box. But you know what? Let me talk about something real quick. What is this? Why are these guys trying to peek, man? This is the second time I done got a box and it was low-key broke down, like they tried to peek inside and see what I was getting, bruh. These guys out here, man, they're trying to steal our shoes, man. They're trying to steal our shoes, man. It ain't cool. It ain't cool, you know what I'm saying? One of the other homies posted on Instagram the same thing. Same box, the same corner. You can tell that these drivers or the people in the warehouse, they know these packages is coming in. So they doing their little looky-loo to see, man, is this the one I want to take? You know what I'm saying? But we ain't having it, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, you got your Jumpman box, you know what I mean? And it says, Noble Green, Pollen White, and Black, Air Jordan 1 Low. See it? Is it coming in clear to you? You're a little bit closer on that. So, let's get into the box. I've had this box probably about a week, man. You guys know the vibes. In every single video, I tell you guys about how hard it is for me to drop these videos because I work so much. That's the same story. Anyways, the same story. Okay. Now, you guys know, anybody that's been tapped into my videos knows I've been on my like Jordan Low tip. You know what I'm saying? And if you didn't know that, subscribe to the channel, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel so you can stay tapped in. But I've really been on my Jordan Lows, man. And this is the Jordan Low that I really wanted to get my hands on. I'm happy I got it. Bow! Look at that. Look at that. That's that pine green toe. Low top Jordan 1. These are fire. These are fire. You got a gold Jordan Jumpman on the tongue. That's where they get the pollen color right there. That's your pollen Jumpman. Hold on, let me. Yes, sir. There you go. That's that pollen Jumpman right there. Man, you know, honestly, I'm super happy with this shoe. I never got my hand on the pine green, the high top pine green ones. And like I tell you guys, I'm not the guy that is going to really spend money on buying a shoe for resale. I'm not giving the resellers my money. It's not happening. Unless I just absolutely have to have the shoe. I mean, and that is rare. I look at my collection, and I think I've only bought 1 or 2 pairs of shoes resale. One was under retail, and then one was above retail. So I'm not that guy, bro. I'm just not that guy that's about to break my bread unless I just have to have it. This shoe right here, though, it's pine green low. Like I said, I'm not really into dunks. I've said this before in one of my videos. I'm not really into the dunks. I have one pair of dunks. I've definitely shot my shot at 90% of the dunks that release on sneakers, but I never hit. But when it comes to these Jordan 1 lows, I always, not always, but most of the time I'm able to get my hand on a pair. And these are fire. These are fire. Super duper clean. It's not no crazy soft, buttery leather or nothing like that. It's a Jordan 1 low, man. I think this shoe was $100. So, I mean, you get what you pay for, right? But this is a shoe that I'm going to wear. This isn't for trade bait. This is a shoe that I want. This is a shoe that's going to stay in the collection. This is a shoe that I'm going to wear. It has no flaws on it. It's super duper clean. Super duper clean. I really can't wait to rock these. As you go around it, you got the 23 in black. Like I said, you got the green on the toe. You got the Jordan Wings logo in white. Side panels, white. Nike swoosh, black. Toe box, pine green. They say noble green, but I think noble is a type of pine. Regardless, pine green. Let me pull the other shoe out because this shoe to me is like it's looking flawless. It's looking flawless. Here's the other shoe. Do that close up. I definitely just wanted to crank this video out, man. Tank Davis is about to box in a couple, probably like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna run back upstairs and get to watching the fight. But man, I had to get a video out for you. These shoes have just been sitting down here. I still got one more pair of shoes I gotta unbox. But these shoes have just been sitting down here, man. So I wanted to get a video cranked out. You know what I'm saying? Had to dig deep for you. And honestly, the green with the gold kind of gives me Sonics vibes, right? The green with the gold gives me Sonics vibes. You guys seen the pine green Jordan 3s that I got the other day. Sonics vibes. Kind of just on that, man. So bring back the Sonics, man, so I can wear these shoes. Bring back the Sonics. Let me get a nice little thumbnail. Yes, sir, man. It's your boy Burt Collins, man. I appreciate everybody that stays tapped in with this channel. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below. Say I made it. You know what I mean? But keep tapping in with me, man. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you stay tapped in with the channel. It's your boy, Burt Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out, you guys. Peace.